Yonkers Kia, Yonkers Kia.
How's it going, guys? Terry Michelle over at Yonkers Kia, and I'm here today to show you guys how to use the Apple CarPlay on the new 2020 Kia Soul GT line. You're going to need a compatible iPhone and your USB charger. You plug it in. Once you plug it in, you'll be prompted by this screen. You're then going to press allow, and then you're going to press the Apple CarPlay on the screen on the Soul. As you can see, now all your available apps are showing up on the screen. Some of the apps that are showing up are your media apps, such as Pandora, Spotify. You can also use your maps. Now it is compatible with Waze, Map, and also Google Maps. Now that I've shown you the Apple CarPlay feature in the all-new redesigned 2020 Kia Soul GT line, all that's left for you to do is come on down to Yonkers Kia, where respect is a two-way street.
Yonkers Kia, Yonkers Kia, Yonkers Kia, Yonkers Kia, Yonkers Kia.